Good morning, everyone. It is 7:10 a.m. Getting ready for today's shoot. This is gonna be behind the scenes. Here's all the equipment that I have today. Tripod, gimbal, other gimbal. Got our lunch, water, 2 waters. Laptop, gonna need that for our planning. I got some other stuff in the garage. Let's get this day started. Jeffrey, what are we doing, dude?
Got some doors.
We got some X3 2-seat doors here from LSK. We're picking them up. This is the first run. See them on my car. Picking these up on our way to the desert so we can get back home
Yeah.
and deliver them to the customer.
I love that we're bringing all this to the desert.
Sometimes you got to be efficient on the trip.
Guys, what I'm hearing is I'm gonna go over a bump.
What?
We're denting doors right now.
Serious?
Ooh,
Dude,
tell me what these are.
KMC's.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Race line. You look really good, man. Hold that. Can't take my bad.
What are we filming? Okay, what else?
Johnny posted it on TikTok. On his TikTok.
You just take your video?
Which way is this facing?
Alright, where are we at right now?
Right now, we're in Giant Rock, Landers, filming for FastLab.
Alright, first shot for the day is gonna be a quick reclip little segment, I don't know, 8 seconds long. I'll put a screenshot of the idea that we had going into this, and then I'll show you the shot list of what we've done.
That sounds good.
All right, shot 2. We are on to the, who's the inspiration that we used for this?
There's like
Dev
Reezy Media or something. He's got the black BMW on it.
We'll put it up on the screen right here. So we're using the same idea and kind of tweaking it because we only have 2 cars. So they're gonna pull up together and then they're gonna stagger park. But we'll see how it goes. Slow. Jeffrey doesn't get on it.
Are you Mexican?
No.
You're not?
Is that serious, the question?
Yeah, I thought you were Mexican.
The one that gave you that mustache?
You guys have met my mom and dad.
I don't know what that means.
How'd she handle?
She's pretty good. The 35s are noticeable for sure. They're heavy. They're 67 pounds apiece. Colin, what do you think? It's big. It feels big.
Definitely big, feels peppy.
Oh, does that have like a auto?
Like,
Well, he's gonna go rip by himself right now, and then after.
the hat just went. The hat just flew.
Oh, the tire carrier's open.
The hat could not hang. One more thing that's not Harley proof.
We're gonna use this to tie the hat down so that he doesn't have to worry about it. Or we'll just rip.
What do you think's gonna happen? Be
great
honest.
content. I think great content.
Whoa, who's coming at me?
Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring.
So what am I doing though? Just driving?
You're literally gonna haul ass.
I want a straight face though.
All power gone. Throttle, not car, just. That was weird.
It looks pretty funny.
location. We are, I don't know, on this spot of the mountain. Sun is setting, so perfect time to start getting some more shots. We have another shot for sunset, so we got to move quickly on that and this one too. Hit that again. That corner right where he was just at, just hit that nice drift. That was perfect angle. Now, Riley's getting a nice long clip right over the corner, right over this hedge. Yo, these GG lighting looks sick, man.
Thanks.
Nice job. Holy shit.
What's the plan here? This is the last shot of the day. Let me know, Riley.
So he's gonna come from that way. He's gonna drift around here, come towards us, on the way to us. The dust is gonna be blown over. Fuck. He's gonna kill the lights. It's gonna look exactly like it looks right
Hold
now.
on,
You can't see shit, and that's gonna be the end of the video. Because unlike Baja Designs, we know how to end a video.
Not what I had in mind.